Hi, good evening. This is a quick vlog on working people how to make a quick dinner with very little ingredients. So we're going to have baked pasta today. So you need about 2 cups of boiled pasta. You just boil with hot water and a bit of oil and salt. Some minced chicken, minced onion, garlic, capsicum, sliced mushroom. You will need some oregano powder or fresh oregano, or oregano, it's up to you. I like to put some cayenne pepper just to add some spice. And I'm using today the baked pasta bake sauce from Legos. And I'm also going to add some vegetable chili. It's a Mexican chili with some beans in it. So a can of that also. So just a quick one, just to have a quick dinner. And of course, we need block cheese for grating on top of the pasta later. But if you don't have block cheese, you can also use shredded cheese. So let's try. Add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once your butter is melted, add in your garlic. It's good to add a lot of garlic in pasta dishes because it adds a lot of flavor to your pasta. Now add in the chopped onions. Stir, stir, stir. Quick one. Now add in your minced chicken. Now you add the mushroom in. We keep the capsicum to the end because we want the crunchy bits of the capsicum in your pasta. If not, everything will taste mushy. Give it a quick stir. After you add the mushroom, you've got to stir it quickly and then put in the lid on for about 2 minutes. Remember, your mushrooms also oozes some liquid, so no need to add any liquid at the moment. Now you can add your cayenne pepper, about 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And about 1 tablespoon of oregano. Give it a quick stir. Adding a capsicum. Now you can add about half a teaspoon of salt. Don't put too much of salt because your sauces might have salt as well as your cheese. A teaspoon of salt. Then you add your pasta sauce. You can actually choose any sauces that you like from the pasta range. It doesn't have to be baked pasta. Then you add in your chili, vegetable chili. So it's a quick dinner recipe, so that's why everything is coming from cans and bottles. Give it a good stir. See how nice and creamy your pasta sauce is. You can see the chili, that's the beans, you can see the beans with the chili inside. Okay. At this point, you can add in your cooked pasta. Oops. And give it a nice stir. Don't switch off your stove at this point, just stir it in properly. So So once you have a good stir, you'll see you'll have this super yummy pasta ready. Now we're going to dish it out and put the cheese on top. So get a dish like this, which is oven proof, because we're going to bake it in the oven. Nice huge scoops. You got to preheat your oven at 150 degrees for 10 minutes. Just preheat it. Now don't put all your pasta in with one go. Just put one layer. This is the secret of getting gooey pasta, because if you don't just put your cheese on the top, you put your cheese even in the middle, okay, like that. Then you add on some more pasta on the top. Then you top up more cheese on the top. Now be generous with the cheese. Once you've decided to make this dish, you can't think about the calories and the fats. So to have a nice baked pasta, there you go. Okay. Just after 15 minutes, it's very hot. You can see the cheese has melted and bubbling away. Oh, can you see the cheese? So there you have your quick meal dinner pasta, and which was done within less than half an hour. So try it out, guys, and let me know how you feel. Thank you.